Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Netflix block bars on your PC browser whenever you try to go ahead and share your screen on your Google Meet or even your Discord or any other apps that allow you to do that. So this is basically a very easy tutorial. So once you are on your Chrome or any browser, all you have to do is go over to your settings. You just have to search for hardware acceleration like that, and you should see this option right here, use hardware acceleration when available, and make sure this is disabled like what I have here and it is not enabled like that. Once you've disabled it, you should relaunch the browser and you should be good to go, guys. Once done with that, you will now be able to stream your Netflix movies successfully without the black screen. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.